Welcome to our guide on the best places to experience authentic street food in Southeast Asia. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and embark on a culinary journey. From the fragrant spices of Thailand to the savory delights of Vietnam, we'll uncover the hidden gems and local favorites that make Southeast Asia a street food paradise. Imagine the sizzle of grilling satay, the aroma of freshly brewed Vietnamese coffee, and the vibrant colors of tropical fruits. From Thailand to the Philippines, we'll take you on a culinary journey you won't forget. So loosen your belts, grab your chopsticks, and get ready to dive into a world of flavor. Our first stop is Thailand, renowned for its aromatic curries, fiery salads, and sweet treats. Picture yourself navigating the bustling streets of Bangkok, where street food vendors craft culinary masterpieces. One dish you absolutely cannot miss is pad Thai. Imagine succulent stir-fried noodles infused with tangy tamarind, savory fish sauce, and a hint of sweetness. And don't forget to try som tum, a spicy green papaya salad that will awaken your taste buds. For a taste of something sweet, indulge in mango sticky rice, a classic Thai dessert. Venture beyond Bangkok to discover regional specialties like khao soi in Chiang Mai, a rich coconut curry noodle soup. Thailand's street food scene is a feast for the senses, and every bite will leave you craving for more. Our next culinary adventure takes us to Vietnam, renowned for its fresh ingredients and delicate flavors. Prepare to be enchanted by the bustling streets of Hanoi, where street food vendors serve up an array of delights. No trip to Vietnam is complete without savoring a bowl of pho, the country's iconic noodle soup. Imagine a fragrant broth simmered for hours with spices and bones poured over soft rice noodles. Next we have banh mi, a Vietnamese sandwich that perfectly blends textures and tastes. Imagine a crusty baguette spread with pâté and mayonnaise filled with savory meats and pickled vegetables. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the ancient town of Hoi An, Vietnam's street food scene is a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds in Malaysia, renowned for its diverse culinary landscape. Our adventure takes us to Penang, a street food paradise with a fusion of flavors. Char Kway Teow captures Penang's culinary diversity. Next, Asam Laksa, a spicy and sour fish soup. For a truly Malaysian experience, try Nasi Kandar. Penang's street food scene is a testament to Malaysia's rich culinary heritage. Our street food adventure now takes us to the Philippines, known for its unique and sometimes daring culinary offerings. Prepare yourself for an adventure that will challenge your taste buds. One dish that truly embodies the adventurous spirit of Filipino cuisine is balut. Now, balut might not be for the faint of heart, as it's a fertilized duck egg that's boiled and eaten in the shell. If you're looking for something a little less adventurous but equally delicious, isaw is a must-try. Imagine grilled or deep-fried chicken intestines, skewered on sticks and dipped in a spicy vinegar-based sauce. From the bustling streets of Manila to the beaches of Cebu, the Philippines offers a unique and unforgettable culinary experience. Our culinary journey takes us to Bali, renowned for its stunning beaches and delicious street food. One dish you cannot miss is babi guling, a slow-roasted suckling pig. Imagine crispy skin, tender meat, and an explosion of flavors. Next, we have nasi goreng, a staple street food in Bali. Fragrant rice stir-fried with vegetables, meats, and spices. For a true Balinese taste, try satay lilit, minced meat on lemongrass sticks. Bali's street food scene is a melting pot of Indonesian flavors. Our final destination takes us to Singapore, a vibrant culinary capital renowned for its diverse food scene. Prepare yourself for a melting pot of flavors where Chinese, Malay, Indian, and international cuisines collide. One dish that perfectly embodies Singapore's multicultural heritage is Hainanese chicken rice. Imagine tender poached chicken served over fragrant rice cooked in chicken broth and ginger. For a taste of Singapore's spicy side, indulge in chili crab, a national dish. Imagine succulent mud crabs stir-fried in a sweet, savory, and spicy tomato-based sauce. And of course, no trip to Singapore is complete without trying laksa, a spicy noodle soup. Singapore's street food scene is a culinary adventure that will take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey. We hope you enjoyed our tour of Southeast Asia's best street food destinations. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant markets of Hanoi, We've explored a diverse range of flavors and culinary traditions. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast and delicious world of Southeast Asian street food. There are countless other dishes and destinations waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and food adventures. Happy eating!